Good day, Just Food Pinasarap subscribers. For today, I I will show you how to cook this famous Arabic shawarma bread. So I will show you how quick and easy it will be. Let's go. Hi, good morning. So we are here now to my small kitchen. Okay, we're gonna bake this shawarma um, bread, a mixture. Very simple. You have three main ingredients: the flour, the sugar, and the yeast. Okay, let me show you. So the main ingredients, I have here 3 cups of flour. Okay, then 1 cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of yeast. So I'm gonna combine all of this and mix like this. Quite sticky, the sugar. So I'm gonna mix it like this before you put the water. So in this mixture, guys, you're gonna put 1 cup of water slowly, so that you can get the necessary mixture. So, as you can see, the mixture is getting assembled. It's become thicker. Okay? So just continue on mixing to get the perfect dough for your shawarma bread. Okay? So it will be like this. You touch. Now guys, we're gonna set this for another 2 hours here. Okay? Let's wait before we cook in the frying pan. So, see you